Your skeleton isn't a dead frame. It's alive. Right now. As you watch this, your bones are rebuilding themselves. Most people imagine bones as rigid, lifeless structures, like the beams holding up a building. But that's not what's happening inside your body. Bone is living tissue, filled with blood vessels, nerves, and specialized cells working around the clock. Every day, your skeleton performs an incredible balancing act. Old bone is broken down. New bone is built. Again, and again, and again. This process is called bone remodeling. Tiny cells known as osteoclasts remove damaged or aging bone. Then osteoblasts move in and build fresh bone tissue. It's like having a construction crew working inside your skeleton 24 hours a day. Over time, this constant renewal adds up. In fact, much of an adult skeleton is replaced roughly every decade, meaning many of the bones you have today aren't the same ones you had 10 years ago. And they're incredibly strong. Ounce for ounce, bone can be stronger than concrete, yet it's also lightweight enough to let you run, jump, and move freely. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Your bones respond to how you live. Athletes develop denser, stronger bones because their skeletons adapt to stress. Astronauts experience bone loss in space because microgravity removes that stress. Even people confined to bed for long periods can lose significant bone density. Your skeleton is constantly listening to what your body needs, reinforcing areas under pressure, reducing resources where they're not needed. It's not just a framework. It's a living, changing organ system, one that heals fractures, stores minerals, produces blood cells, and rebuilds itself throughout your entire life. So the next time you think about your skeleton, don't imagine a pile of lifeless bones. Imagine a living structure under constant renovation, a biological skyscraper that never stops rebuilding itself.
Mission 1K Explorers. Join the journey, subscribe, and stay curious.